Chapter 13, Limitless. And the Lord commended the unjust steward because he had done wisely. For the children of this world are in their generation wiser than the children of light. Luke 16:8, King James Version. Religious Shackles Challenge, Worldly Wisdom. While many of the religious shackles were robbing the souls of church leaders in the pulpit during the 1800s and 1900s, there were new thought writers and teachers such as Florence Scovel Shinn, Neville Goddard, Joseph Murphy, Napoleon Hill, and James Allen, who helped millions of people change their mindset through the Word of God. Likewise, current and past motivational speakers include names like Les Brown, Brian Tracy, Jim Rohn, Wayne Dyer, who did not hold positions in the pulpit and used their voices to change countless people for the better. Once upon a time, the old church ridiculed anyone teaching without a church platform or those who did not have a Bible in their hands. Looking at today, many spiritual leaders sound more and more like the old mystics and motivational speakers more than ever before. Could it be that the children of the light are going through the back door to learn success from the children of the world, while their church members remain in conscious poverty? Spiritual Sovereignty Solution. Manifest. Thou shalt also decree a thing, and it shall be established unto thee, and the light shall shine upon thy ways. Job 22:28, King James Version. If this world were mine. The New Thought Age leaders taught people how to think again at a higher level by using their mental and spiritual activity. Similarly, motivational speakers excel at people's emotional and mental beings by inspiring them to embrace abundant life opportunities while overcoming adverse limitations. Even with much proven success, religious shackles make you think that any man or woman not in the pulpit is of the devil, when in fact it is the opposite. In truth, they were able to tap into a world of the abundant life that most religious shackle leaders were afraid to touch, the unseen world. There is no need to sit inside a church building hearing about the laws of your flesh sinning every week until you find yourself in a revolving door manifesting sin after sin, living in a world of damnation. Spiritual sovereignty beings motivate themselves through their spiritual mental activity as they decree, seek the good they desire. By going within their hearts, knock, using their 5 spiritual senses to see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, and touch it on the imaginary stage called your imagination, they learn how to manifest. Make sure you rehearse, meditate your play lines daily until it is manifested as God shines open it back to you on your stage's play, regardless if you have a platform or not. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be opened to you. Matthew 7:7, New King James Version. Spiritual Sovereignty Action. Decree your good desires through your 5 spiritual senses. Self-whisper exercise. Are your spiritual teachings helping you to live a successful life? Do you see where you are living in a cycle of damnation? Are you going within yourself and using your 5 senses to bring your desired new reality to the physical? Meditation quotes. Imagination is the house of your spiritual senses, and your mind is the storage of your life blueprints. Phyllis Y. Whitley. An awakened imagination with a purpose, it creates and conserves the desirable and transforms or destroys the undesirable. Neville Goddard. Meditation therapy. I am liberated through truth and wisdom. I am a magnet that attracts kingdom laws. I am awakened to my true purpose. I act as though I am that which my desire calls. My words are cleansing my thoughts. My thoughts are rinsing my mouth. I am revealing the power within me. My inward beauty is coming outward with a shout. My respect toward others bounces back to me. My tattoos are my unspoken words, so don't ask. My scars are my testimonies with a key. I am my unlimited supply reaching above the sky. I am the greatness hidden within me. I am my spirit supervisor that oversees. Prayer is my fuel source every day. My God is the producer of my play. Relax, because Mastermind Jesus has the final say.